Here is a step-by-step guide on how to use the Beardo Chrome Beast multi-purpose trimming kit, which includes 8 important trimming tools. Start with the basic beard trimmer attachment. Press and hold the button for 3 seconds to activate the trimmer. The illuminated unlock LED on the trimmer body signals its readiness for use. To secure the trimmer post-use, simply press and hold the button for 3 seconds to lock it again. Choose the appropriate comb from the toolkit based on your desired beard length. Hold the trimmer vertically. Slide the comb in from the center of the comb towards the trimmer head. Align the cavity on the comb with the notches on both sides of the trimmer head. Snap the comb in place until it securely clicks. You can now use the multiple length knob to adjust the trimming setting as needed. To remove the comb, use both your thumbs to gently detangle the edges from the notches on the trimmer. You will notice a notch at the edge of the head and body of the trimmer. Twist the head counterclockwise to align the dot with the arrow mark. Once the dot aligns with the end of the arrow, the head becomes removable. To attach the different head, align the notch with the arrow and twist it clockwise until it clicks into place. All the attachments can be fixed in the same fashion. The styling trimmer head comes with the attachment comb, but this comb is detachable. Use a slider to adjust the comb's length as needed for styling. After you finish trimming, you can use foil shaver for a smooth, clean, shave-like finish. Using the nose and ear trimmer is simple. Insert the cutting element inside your nose or ear. Move the trimming head in and out of the nostril or ear gently. Apply a firm rotary motion to cut the unwanted hairs to a shorter length. By following these steps, you can make the most of the Beardo Chrome Beast multi-purpose trimming kit with its 8 trimming tools for a wide range of grooming needs.